welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys haven't already, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. But for now, let's jump into this video. So to complete this look, I'm just starting off with, I believe it was a 4-day-old twist out, so that's why it's all puffy and afro-y looking. And I didn't want to wash my hair because I recently just dyed it. If you guys haven't watched that video, please be sure to check it out. I'm going to link it up here at the top. Here are just some of the products that I use to moisturize and style my hair. I got this Emerge. I got it from Target, leave-in conditioner. I have that Camille Rose growth oil. And this Miele Organics hair butter, which it wasn't even a butter, it was more like a cream. And then, of course, just my brushes, my Demon brush to comb it through, and my little rubber bands for the rubber band part in the beginning of the hairstyle, and of course some not eco styler, but edge control. So I was going to try to go for a braidless crochet look, but I ended up not using it. But if you guys want to see what kind of hair it was, here it is right here. So first things first, I'm getting that part right down the middle. It was kind of different for me seeing my scalp. It looked a little different with this bright color, but I ended up getting a nice little part line. Now everything wasn't perfect, but that's not the look I was going for. I was just trying something new, and it still came out to my liking. So okay, so once you got your two parts, you just want to take like the front part of your hair and make like separate it so that you can get about 4 sections. Now I was following a tutorial of Chev Bs. I'll make sure to link her video in the description. That's where I got the inspiration from. But I think our head is shaped a little differently, so I had to like play around with it. So of course, you know, play around with this the way that you like it. You don't even have to use rubber bands if you don't feel comfortable using rubber bands, but I don't really have a problem using it. And I've had this hairstyle now for about 3 days, and it's been kept up pretty well. I mean, I probably gotta refresh my edges, but you can barely see my edges anyway with this light color. But yeah, so I just went about parting it like I would do if I was about to do like some box braids or something. So pretty much just take that little part that you had and then section it into 4 more parts. And they weren't even, I would say, but hey, it still ended up coming out right. So just play around with it and see what happens. So the next thing I'm doing is just applying my edge control to the edge line so that it can look really neat and lay properly and last a little bit longer than it would if I wasn't to do that. Then I just take that section and I just twist it down. So when you do twist, you kind of want to like make it keep it taut so that it doesn't come apart, because you know a twist, they don't do nothing but expand. So if you kind of just keep it taut, it's going to expand regardless, but if you keep it taut, it won't expand as much and be too big. You know, you'll understand if you know how to twist. This is not a twisting tutorial, but I can make one if y'all comment down below and say y'all want one, or y'all can just look it up on YouTube, which you're already on YouTube, and just look, or just comment down below. So it's up to y'all. So this is the part where I realized that I can't just put my hair in 4 sections because it's not gonna look right. So I opted to do, I think I did about 6 sections, but if I'm wrong, you're gonna see in the next clip because I don't remember. But yeah. Now I don't know why this part is so thin right here, but I guess I just have thin pieces in the front of my head, so that's why one twist is noticeably larger than the other one, but sometimes can't do nothing about that, just genetics, I guess. Okay, so it's a little bit different when you get to the top part of the twist sections, because what you're going to do is still lay your edges down, and then you take the rubber band and you pull that piece from the bottom up to the top and you connect them together, so that way it's like a crisscross type of look, you know, the style that you're going for. Or you could do whatever you're going for, like you don't even have to twist it if you don't want to. But that's just how you do the little crisscross method. You just take the sides that are opposing one another and you take that part and lift it up with the other part. So I noticed, like, if I twist it, which you're going to see in the next clip, that I should try to twist it like towards how I want it to lay. Like, it came out a lot better when I twisted it that way, instead of just twisting down as y'all would do normally if I was twisting. So that I might not have shown on here because I did do the other half off camera, but just keep that in mind, that you want to kind of want it to twist it the way that it's going to be styled, you know. So I thought it'd be cute to do like a twist hanging down, you know, like that old hairstyle from 2019 where everyone had like the two parts hanging down. I was going for that look and it came out pretty cute, so. Okay, so I'm back. I finished both sides because it low-key was hard doing it on camera because I was trying to show you guys and look at the mirror at the same time. But I just went ahead and detangled the back of my hair and moisturized it really good because I have color treated hair now. And I'm just going to get some, not edges, get some gel and put the ponytails in the back. So here you just see me put it into little buns. Like, that's one style option, but that was because I was trying to go for the braidless crochet look. But my sister is on FaceTime with me and she told me, like, why not just do your natural hair? So that's what I ended up doing in the end. So in this next clip, you're going to see what I was trying to go for, but I opted not to do it because the natural hair looked a lot better. Yeah, at this point, it was giving me Hocus Pocus the sequel vibes, so, like, definitely was a no-go for me. So I made an executive decision, and I just did basically what you would do for a wash and go. I just put some leave-in conditioner in it, some oil and some gel to, like, make the curls define. That oil right there is what I used. And it came out pretty well. I had to diffuse it and pick it out, but I did all of that off camera. And you know, I always got to lay my edges down just to make sure it's looking proper and neat as possible. And now I'm back after I laid it down, did my makeup and all that good stuff. And this is the end result. Like, Your girl was really feeling herself, okay? I took like a million photos. I might throw some of them in there so y'all can see what it was looking like, okay? I was giving like schoolgirl type of vibes. Like I should have been in Mean Girls Part 2 or something. But yeah, this is the finished result. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you might want to try it out on yourself or maybe your daughter, because it's kind of like a kiddie hairstyle, but I feel like adults can rock it too because it's cute or whatever.